Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to place a buy position using your Bing Exchange app, right? But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is our Bing Exchange app. Right now, all you'll be needing to do right is just go to your futures right here, click on your futures. Once you click on your futures, this is how it's going to look like. So right now, let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So right here is our Telegram channel, and as you can see, this is the signal that has been dropped right here. So you can see crypto pair ETH USDT, which is Ethereum, direction long, which means buy, risk amount 1%, and leverage 1 to 3x. So right now, let's go to our Bing Exchange app to set our leverage. So right here on your Bing Exchange app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. So I'm just going to tap on it. So right here you can see ETH right here. So you're just going to click on it. Now all I want to do now is set my leverage. You can see right here on the icon. I'll just click on it and set my leverage. If it's on 20x or 80x, 100x, I'll bring it down to 3x, because 3x leverage is the recommended leverage for new beginners traders. Always risk what you are comfortable using. So after setting it, I'll just click on OK. And now let's go to our Telegram channel to search for our entry. So right here on our Telegram channel, you can see our entry right here. So let's go ahead and go to our Bing Exchange app to enter our entry right there. So right here on our Bing Exchange app, if you want to enter our entry right here, you can see right here is where you enter your entry, is where you place your entry. So right now I'm just going to type in my entry. So right there is my entry. So right here is where you're going to input in the amount of USDT you want to be using for this trade. Do you want to use $100, $200? Do you want to use $50 or $500? So right now, our take profit, always remember to set your take profit and your stop loss, because that is your defensive zone as a trader. So right now, let's go to our Telegram channel to set our take profit and stop loss. So right here, as you can see, our take profit, you can see our take profit right here. So right now, let's go to our Bing Exchange app to type in our take profit. On our Bing Exchange app right here, we click on this, so we type in our take profit. So right there. So right now, let's set our stop loss. As you can see right here is our stop loss. So right now, let's go to our Bing Exchange app to set our stop loss. So right here on our Bing Exchange app, we just type in our stop loss right here. Once we type in our stop loss, so right now, once you've checked that everything is correct, you can now go ahead and place your buy position right here. You click on this long. So once you click on this long, your position will be right here, will be on this open orders until market reach the market order you placed on this trade, right? Until it reach that price before it will trigger, and once it trigger, it's going to be on position right here. So this is how to use future derivatives trade signals on your BingX. Alright, thank you for watching this video up to this time. If you're still watching, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, and if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with BingX, no worries, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. And you also get a discount once you make a 10% discount once you make your first deposit using our referral link in the description below. And there will also be a link to our Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.